How to mark as pending on Facebook Marketplace. Sold an item on Facebook Marketplace but still waiting for the buyer to pick it up. Marking your listing as pending lets other potential buyers know the item is temporarily reserved. In this easy guide, I'll show you how to mark your items as pending on Facebook Marketplace step by step. Let's dive in. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're in the menu page, head towards the section of Marketplace. Now click on the option of Sell. Head towards the option of Your Listings. Now over here you're gonna find all of your listing. Now head over to the listing that you want to set as mark as pending. At the right corner of each of the item you'll find 3 dots. Click on it. Different options will pop up. Click on the option of mark as pending. And just with that, I have set this item to the mark as pending. By following the same steps, you can easily set other items to mark as pending as well. If the sale is completed, you can come back to this screen and mark the item as sold. If the sale falls through, you can revert the item to mark as available to continue receiving offers. And that's how you mark an item as pending on Facebook Marketplace. This simple step helps manage your sales and keep your buyers informed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.